How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can write a code in Obsidian. So the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you looked or you find the backtick button on your keyboard. Basically, it's going to be this specific button right here. In my case, it's going to be my escape button, but in most keyboards, it's going to be under your escape button. Basically from there, let's then create a new note. So this is my note right here. And then you could type that button 3 times. Basically with this one, we will be able to simply type our code block, which will then look something like this. So you mainly want to focus on them between this backtick buttons. In my case, I'm going to be using Python. And let's do something like print hello world. And then that's going to be it, most likely. You could hit on the preview button and then we could see it right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.